you all are absolutely good and taking care of yourself and doing your work properly. So students, as you all know, we had started chapter number 11 and we are almost completing the chapter. Only the last topic is left, right? So if you are having any problem in this chapter, you can call me and ask me. Today we are going to start with the book work. आज हम book work करेंगे. Before that I will explain one more topic and will little give the recap of full chapter. Okay, so now firstly, before starting the session, I want to explain the password of the day. So password of the day is condensation. So what is the meaning of condensation, as I explained 2 times earlier also. So I hope you all know about it. The condensation. What is the meaning of condensation? Condensation is a process by which water vapor changes into water on cooling. When we will cool that, when it will be cool, and on that process is known as condensation. Okay, again I'm repeating the process by which water vapor changes into water, means gaseous form changes into liquid form, and on cooling this process is known as condensation. Okay, so this is the password of the day. Condensation, learn the spelling also, CONDEN, condensation, SATION, condensation. Okay, so let's talk about the before sessions. like जो हमने पहले sessions किए हैं उसमें मैंने क्या explain किया था. I explained you about the water cycle, that what is water cycle. Like firstly, from the earth water will evaporate when it will get the heat of sunlight, and it will evaporate with the heat of sunlight in the form of water vapor and will go into the sky and will form the clouds, and then process is condensation, and then from condensation, like from clouds, water vapor will convert into the water and will come again on the earth in the form of rain, hail, storm. It can be anything. Okay, so in the form of that rain, in the form of snow, it again come back on the earth. That process is known as, that is the cycle. Again it will evaporate, again it will come back. So this is just a cycle of the nature. Okay, so that cycle is known as water cycle. And then I told you about the saving water, like how we can save the water, right? I told you about some points and how we can save the water. We can save the water by following type. Like we can just close the tap when we are brushing, right? We can use bucket and mug when we are giving the water to the plants, when we are taking bath. So that time we can just use bucket and mug. It will save our water, because with the pipe or with the shower water will waste a lot. Okay, and more we can just when the tap is leaking, we can just immediately mend that. Okay, we can call the plumber and plumber will mend the pipes and taps which are leaking. And this is about the saving of water, as I told you. And I told you about the storing of water, right? In some places there is water supply is not proper in that areas, so some people used to store the water, and they are storing the water in some containers, like bucket, in the tank, we can say, in the bottles, in the camper. So there are so many things in which we can just store the water for the emergency. Okay, this is about the storing of water. And one more thing I told you about, like rain. Rain is the main source of water, so we can save that water also. Rainwater also, we will just like if it is raining, then we will put some containers under the rain, and that water we can use as watering the plants also. We can use for cleaning the home also. Clear? So we can use that water. Now the next topic is just reusing the water. Reusing, you can just understand the meaning by the name also. Reusing, दोबारा से उस water को use करना, that is reusing water. Again we are using that water which we used already. Okay, so for that we will read some points. We can reuse water, collect rainwater. So we can reuse water if needed. हम जब हमें need है हम water को reuse कर सकते हैं. If there is something very like water is not proper in some areas, they can reuse the water. Like water is usually reused when there is a shortage of water. जब water की shortage है तब हम water को reuse कर सकते हैं. We can reuse in the following ways. The first way I can tell you, water used for washing fruits and vegetables. Now which water we are using in washing our fruits and vegetables? That water we just put something under that, like if अगर मैं कोई फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स हो रही तो उसके नीचे कोई एक टब रख लूँगी या कोई एक ऐसा कंटेनर रख लूँगी जिसके अंदर पानी आ जाए, एंड दैट वाटर आई विल रीयूज एंड विल गिव दैट वाटर टू द प्लांट्स. लाइक दिस माय वाटर विल सेव, है ना. So like this we can just save the water. This was the first point. Then second point I'm going to tell you is which water we are using for washing clothes. That water we can reuse as by the mopping in cleaning our home. Okay, that water can be used in cleaning or mopping. Understand? Then next we can do the water used for washing the face and hands. So that water which we are using to wash face and hand, that water we can save by putting a bucket under that wash basin or something. So that water we can use in the toilet. Okay, we can just throw that water in the toilet. So like this, water is very precious, so we must not waste it. So for that we can, if we are not having any like lack of water, जब हमें कभी पानी की कमी नहीं भी है, still we can just save the water for the future. Okay, so we can save the water, we can reuse the water. Our rivers are being polluted with toxic waste from local factories and waste from our homes. We must stop polluting our rivers. So this one इन्होंने जो suggestion दिया है, इन्होंने जो एक moral दिया है that we should not pollute our rivers, because see from the factories all the dirt going into the rivers and that river water we are drinking, right? So that creates very some diseases in our body. So we should not waste the water, we should always keep the water clean. We should not throw the litter or garbage in the rivers and the ponds, etc. Okay, so this was about the reusing of water and our chapter summary is completed here. Now we are starting with the book work. Everyone just open your book and start doing with me. So before starting the practice exercise, there are two. Tick the right answer. Firstly, we will do that on page number 67. Open page number 67. So the first one is tick the correct and correct statement. If the statement is correct, then we will put tick. If the statement is wrong, we will put cross. Okay, so the first one is we should take as much as water in our glass as we can drink. We should take as much water in our glass as we can drink. हमें क्या उतना ही पानी ग्लास में लेना चाहिए जितना हम पी सकते हैं, या हमें ज्यादा डालना चाहिए? Wrong. हमें जितना पीना चाहिए उतना ही पानी लेना चाहिए. So the statement is correct. So we will put the tick on the first one. That statement is correct. Okay. Then the next statement is we can collect rainwater in glass. Can we collect rainwater in glass? Glass is a very narrow mouth. Glass has a very narrow mouth. So can we just like उसके अंदर हम collect कर सकते हैं rainwater? नहीं. Rainwater we cannot collect in glass. We can use the big containers. So this statement is wrong. Now open page number 68. Page number 68. Here are two multiple choice question given. Practice exercise. Section A. A part is MCQs. So the first one is We must collect rain water in a dash container. किस तरह के कंटेनर में करना चाहिए हमें वाटर कलेक्ट? I just told you about right now. Wide mouth, small or narrow mouth? Till wide mouth, small or narrow mouth? Yes, wide mouth. Wide mouth means जिसका mouth big होता है. Okay, जो कंटेनर big होता है जिसका mouth भी big होता है. So the option number A is correct. Wide mouth. Click on it. Then next is the main source of water on the earth is. Main source of water on the earth is, all of you know, that is rain. Rain is the main source of earth water. Okay? Main source of water on the earth is rain. C option is correct. Then fill in the blanks are given on the same page. First is we must drink dash of water every day. कितना पानी पीना चाहिए हमें? बहुत सारा. We must drink plenty of water. Plenty means बहुत सारा. P-L-E-N-T-Y, plenty of water. We must drink plenty of water. Do it quickly. Okay, now second is close the tap when the container is dash. Close the tap when the container is dash. हमें टैप को कब बंद कर देना चाहिए? जब कंटेनर फुल हो जाता है. When the container is full, we should close the tap. The next is we must dash and dash as much rainwater as possible. We must dash and dash means collect and store. In first blank you will write collect. And in the second blank, you will write store. We must collect and store as much rainwater as possible. Then next is, we must avoid cleaning dishes under a dash tap. Under the running tap. We should not clean any utensil or any cloths under the running tap. So write here running. Okay? Why we should not clean the under the running tap? Because if we are washing utensils or clothes under the running tap, and because of this method, our water will waste more. Okay? So we should always contain that in the bucket, and that water we can use for washing the clothes and utensils. Okay, after that the next one is circle the odd one. Circle the odd ones are there. The first one is pot, bucket, hut or jug. Pot, that is we are using for adding water. We are for the storing water. Bucket also we are using for the storing water. Hut is a home, right? And jug is also used to store the water. So which one is the odd one? Hut is the odd one. So just circle it. Hut. Next is washing, drinking, bathing or sleeping. Washing, drinking, bathing or sleeping. See, washing, drinking and bathing, in these three, water is the main thing, right? We are using the water, but in sleeping there is no use of water. So which one is the odd one? Sleeping is the odd one. And that's it. Circle it. Sleeping is the odd one. Okay, after that, on the next page, 4 pictures are given. This is your homework. You have to tell which one is correct and which one should be wrong. Okay, you have to tell the right picture or you have to tell the cross picture. This activity you will done at your home as a homework. And then next is practice exercise B. Again, MCQs are there. So the first MCQ is, we face the shortage of drinking water during During which time we face shortage of drinking water? Drinking water हमें कब कम मिलता है? During the summer. During the summer season, the rainy season, summer or winter? During the summer season, we face shortage of drinking water. Okay, so that is summer. B option is correct. The next is water goes up as water vapor and forms. Now, when water is evaporate and goes up and forms, what it forms? क्या बनाता है ऊपर जाके water as a water vapor? It forms clouds. So the option number A is correct. Clouds. It formed clouds. Okay, students, that is all for today. Today we did bookwork of this chapter and we did the recap of this chapter. And in the next session, we will be doing question answers and keywords. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.